Right, so I'm gonna try and set this up so you can see what I'm doing to some extent. Um, so today it's the day after I've got the chair, which is just here. I also am gonna try and do some actual exercise. So I've got some dumbbells. These are just all my belongings and things, as you can see. So fortunately, we've got a hospital bed here. So I need to lower this so that then I can get the dumbbells out because I can't do a lot of the dumbbell stuff in the hospital bed, so I'm gonna have to do them on the chair. But I can only just reach where I've just put the camera. So we shall see. Now, this stick is super useful. So if you have an injury, you should get one of them. These are the braces, which I need to put on. This is one of my pee bottles. They're super handy. And this is the leg lifter thing. So, weights wise, I'm going to see what I can get from under the bed. So, a couple of bands. And then, I've got a 4 kilo dumbbell, a 6 kilo dumbbell, a 8 kilo dumbbell. I'm getting harder to actually get these out. And a 10 kilo dumbbell. So, I guess this can be like the old training videos. I'm not sure it's going to be road to 700 kilos, probably more like road to 700 steps at this point. So, I'm going to try and train. No, I'm just going to do a few bits and pieces today because from yesterday, I'm already really sore from doing like basically nothing. So I just want to start like easy and then gradually progress from there instead of going nuts and trying to do everything all at once. So something that I got a few questions about was like nutrition. So nutrition pre and post surgery. For the most part, I did the best that I could, but nutrition that's provided in the hospital is not good at all. So it was mostly down to Rachel bringing me food so I could actually eat something rather than rather than just having what they give. Because if I just had what they gave, I tried tracking it a couple days and it came out to about 1,000 calories and maybe about 40ish grams of protein or so. Right, let's see if I can move this. Which is obviously not enough. Don't know if this is just going to fall. Oh, it kind of worked. So, when I spoke to the surgeon before the op, I said, like, what can I do after the op? What can I do to, like, make sure this is not going well? What can I do to, like, make sure recovery is as good as it can be? He said that I should try and maintain my weight. Now, at the competition, so the day of it happening, I weighed in at 99.9 kilos. So basically 100 kilos, 220 pounds. And I was eating 4 to 4,500 calories. And he said that I should try and maintain that as best as possible. So for the week leading up to surgery, I actually did manage to maintain that to a certain extent. So that's obviously a good thing. Like maintain the food. But then after the surgery, oh, Rich is getting a call. I wonder if I can reach her phone. No, I can't reach it. I'll just have to ring. She's in the shower, so she won't hear me anyway. Oh, I'm sweating. I've not even done anything. After the surgery, there was no I had no appetite, so I didn't really eat as much as I should have. Fortunately, Rachel was bringing me in shakes and stuff, because when I've looked at the data, what's generally suggested post-surgery of a repair, it's 1.5 to 2 grams per kilo of body weight in protein. So if we go top end of that, 200 grams of protein, that's basically what I would normally eat. So I've been trying to eat that for the most part, plenty of fruits and vegetables, and then just trying to keep calories up as high as possible. But like I said, that first week after surgery, I just had no appetite at all. So I ended up not getting anywhere near that much to start. Then the second week, I started to eat more. That feels like it's not painful, obviously. I'm just sore and just being careful. I don't know whether I will bother showing the videos of these kinds of things. They're not particularly exciting. I just want to do a little bit, and then I'm gradually going to do more each day. And because it's nothing particularly like heavy or difficult, I'll be fine doing it on a daily basis. When I can actually do something meaningful, I'll split it up more and make it into more of a structured program. But this way, it means that I don't have to actually log every single thing written down. I mean, I probably will anyway, but I've got the video of it, which will keep it easy to keep an eye of what's going on. This is just a 4 kilo dumbbell. So I'm going to do this, then we're going to go out for a ride. Go as far as I can. Yeah, your phone went off. It was ringing, but I can't quite reach it. If you go behind the camera, you won't be seen. You okay?
Yeah.
Look real suspicious. Anyone good?
020 London number. Probably insurance people.
Spam. Cool. You don't need to rush, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, just letting you know. What was I talking about? Probably nonsense. I don't know. The exercise stuff. With filming it, it'll mean that I don't have to be as meticulous with the keeping of the notes. I thought I was going to use a heavier weight. I don't think I need to. So, so with the nutrition, been trying to eat plenty. Taking various vitamins and such, and extra vitamins and such, which I won't talk about on here, but I will on the members area if anyone wants to know about them. Painkillers and stuff. Now, I've got some morphine and paracetamol. I'm not really taking any at the minute, which is obviously a good thing, to not be needing it. I haven't actually been counting any of these that I'm doing. I'm just doing something. And then I will be very warm, and then I will start doing my kneehab for the day, which will not be particularly exciting. The good thing is that now I don't have to wear my braces on my legs when I'm just sat around. Let's see, is that going to work? So it means that I'm not as sweaty as I would have other been. I don't know if you can see the scar down there. So this leg, the scar is it's maybe like an extra 2 inches or so longer than the other one, and it's because of the injury being through the tendon and the muscle, not just the tendon. But like I said, I've not got the scan results yet and the op notes yet, so when I get them I'll be able to be more accurate. I think this might actually be enough weight just for today. I realise that it's barely anything, nowhere near failure and stuff, but we're going out soon, and that also is, I've done nothing like actual exercise wise for like 5 weeks today. Well, no, because I did the first squat, I suppose, 5 weeks tomorrow. So I think that'll do it for today. And then next time I'll do a little bit more. So I'm just going to put these weights back. I don't know why I bothered getting them all out. Clearly don't need them. So then I'll try and move the camera, do a little bit of knee-hab, then it'll be putting my braces on, then getting into the chair. Yesterday we went out for a drive in it, managed to get basically just to the end of the driveway, which is a hill slanted down, and getting to the end was fine. Coming back up was hard work, especially on the skin of my hands because they're so soft now. Whereas obviously they weren't before they were used to training and stuff. So that was tough. It's crazy like being so weak. But I'm sure it'll come back. Now, the next thing. I wonder if I can do resisted calf raises. That's actually really good. Right, let's see if I can move you so you can see. Right. I can't quite reach you, so I'm going to need to use this to hook it over the camera to pull you closer. Great view, I know. And then over here. Is this going to work? There we go. That works sort of. And then to get it back off. So now you get a lovely view of our living room. And I can reach you there. So I can show you what I'm doing with my legs. So for today, all I'm doing is with my right leg. At the minute, I'm allowed to go up to 45 degrees of a bend. So on these braces, when the brace is on, that is set to 20 degrees. If I went all the way to 45 degrees, it's all that way instead, which is obviously much further. But I'm just, instead of going straight to 45, I'm doing a week at 20, then a week at 30, a week at 40, and so on. Because each leg, it's different. I'll maybe get the, what's it called at some point, the actual list up. So the exercise that I'm doing for today is lifting that up to there. And then we're bringing it down. Like, that's it. Nothing crazy. Just going to where it's like slightly uncomfortable across here and here. So I'm just going to literally just do a few of these. But I'll be doing this more or less every time I eat. So then it'll be 3, 4, 5 times a day. I think because of my bum being on here, it's squashed this part of the bed. So then my knee has been in a bit of flexion the whole time, which is why this probably isn't too bad. But my leg's not strong enough that if I was to try and lift my foot up, like, nothing happens if I was to try and lift my foot up. There's just no strength there. And the other things I've been doing are like moving my feet around. The ligaments in them don't feel too bad anymore. So yeah, this is it. And then the other thing is trying to squeeze it. It barely looks like anything. And then on the other side, some squeezes, but barely anything happens. So then the next thing will be trying to get into the wheelchair and setting that up So move the P-ball, move the bands. Every time doing everything, it just takes a while. Something else I have been doing the last couple of days is rolling this up, and then, oh, you can't see. Something I have been doing is rolling a towel up here, lifting my leg, and then resting my knee on there, so it's stretching it in that tiny amount of knee flexion. But I'm not going to do that for now. So it's spinning around for different stuff. It just takes twice as long to do anything by myself. It's only when Rachel helps me that things are faster, and she helps me with basically everything. And the cat's now decided she's interested too. So, not now, Jessie. No. So what I need to do is the legs. I need to straighten them out. There we go. That's one leg. And then the other one should be easier. Yeah. This one, actually, I need to shorten that. But I need an Allen key, which I don't have handy at the minute. But it'll be fine for now. That's the first thing. Next thing is I need to spin around, and I need to get these on. But I need to lower the bed so I have my legs straight that way. So like there's a whole thing. If you're still watching this point, I'm very surprised. I'm going to start doing the exercise videos again soon. The reviews, I mean. So, yeah. Right, bed's down. That's out of the way. So the question is, spin around first and then braces, or braces then spin around? Let's go spin around first. So it's easier to use this grabber stick to move around. And the other side. It's exhausting. You alright, Ray? Didn't hear me, or ignoring me, or both. So that's that done. Now the next thing, I need to rest after everything. The next thing is getting the braces on. So I'll do my bad leg first. Worst leg, I suppose they're both bad legs. So this one, if you can see, is fixed at 0 flexion and 0 extension. The smaller bits go towards the ankle, bigger bits go towards the top. And then this bit goes at the knee. Didn't notice you come past. Super sneaky. So, this is one. Would you be able to get me a pair of short socks, please? I've not worn them for so long, they might not fit. As if my feet have magically got bigger. And then, braces on, top strap on any time. So I've left the under thing of my short underneath them so it doesn't rub, and then the over thing will go over the top there. They don't need to be super tight whilst they're supported, just tight enough that my leg won't bend. So if I lift it up, there's like a bit of wiggle, but it's not actually going to bend properly. And this side, there is the bit of flexion in it there. So that one is set at 20 and 20. So it'll be the same thing again, just on this side. So I don't know if I put up the pictures of what it looks like when I took this off the first time, but my legs look like a shark's been attacking them. I didn't use any more than a 4 kilo rich. It was heavy enough. Just now I was just talking to you, but I was talking to the video before. I thought you were in here. I said I didn't use any more than 4 kilos. Because it's too heavy. Because I'm so weak now. Yeah, it'll just take time, won't it? Right. Now's good. I'll try and put them on. Thank you. I have gotten more flexible hamstrings, I think. I don't think before all of this I could have sat and got my socks on. No. And they are forced into straight legs, aren't they? So, once I've done this, I will be nearly ready to go. What about you?
Yeah, that works for me.
Cool. Right. Do you need to get anything else ready?
No, I'll just grab my coat on the way out, I guess.
Okay.
Make sure you bring yours. I'll get you your hoodie and wash it for your legs.
Yeah. Okay. You might want to bring a book or something, because I'm real slow.
Well, we're going to be moving though, aren't we?
Well, moving is what it's called. Moving is what it's called, but it's so slow. Yeah. Actually, so I'm restarting the video. Right. I just peed, and then now I'm going to succeed in getting into the chair. So, if I try and put you down somewhere here. Oh, there we go. Nope. There we go. Just angle that. Right, yesterday I just had that seat on, so it was really awkward getting over the wheel. You can lift that out of the way, but without that I kept getting impaled on the wheel. So we've got an extra cushion on there. I'm going to try that for getting it on. I don't know whether I'll keep it on when we actually go. So we shall see. Just going to make sure the brakes are on. That side and that side. Right. What might be good is if I raise the height of the bed actually. Just grab that. Okay, so the bed is now higher than the wheel. So I need to get this leg over there, that leg there, this bum there. Are you bothered about me getting on and off the chair by myself?
No, I don't think I can really help you now.
No, just checking. Right, that's that leg done, that's that leg done. Make sure they're on. And then this side. Done. As if by magic. And then I'm going to need to... I didn't think about this. So I used your idea of the higher cushion, which is great, but I need to get the cushion out now. So how am I going to do that? I think I might need your help.
I found these.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give them a try.
What do you need help with?
I need the cushion that's under me, pulling out from under me.
Okay.
So I do expect you to get it in one go.
Like a magician.
Oh, well done. Cool. And then the next thing is, can you push this cushion back a little bit, please? Perfect. Thank you. I've done it. Thanks. And now that's all the way over there. So I think I can get it. Right. If I grab my grabber stick with this stick.
Do you need more help?
I don't know. I think I can get this myself.
Do you want me to stay in case you can't, or can I carry on with what I was
You carry on with what you're doing. I got it. So I use my grabber stick to grab onto the tripod and bring the tripod over. Anyway, I think that'll be the end of this video for today. There's what's it called? I'll put some videos from yesterday on after this, but we are going to go out and then maybe tomorrow start with technique reviews and stuff. That is one of the lovely P-balls. Bye. 1 mile done. Only take us 2 hours, 3 hours,
Yeah, what time is it now?
2.5 hours.
Yeah, so it took us just over an hour to get back. So, yeah.
That's a mile, well, less than a mile, because you did a bit for me on the way back, didn't you?
A tiny bit. I think you can take a lot of credit for what you've just done.
That's the end. Brakes are on.
You're gonna get an ass crack full of wheel. You right?
Yeah. Just being careful.
Yeah.
You were right.
This seems like a terrible design.
Right in the anus. Okay, so these are way too long.
Okay.
I'll have to adjust them separately. I'm in the chair.
Yay. Okay.
How did you find trying to steer it?
Not too bad, really. Just do one wheel when you want to go a specific direction, and do both wheels when you want to go forward or backwards. Beep, beep, beep.
A bit easier, I think, once we've shortened the ends.
Hmm.
Right, I'm off.
Look at him go!
Gonna take some getting used to driving a bit.
Hmm.
Definitely gonna get cold. We probably should have moved some stuff out of the way.
I already did move a bunch of stuff.
No. Oh, well, that works. Hang on.
Oh, okay. Don't go off the edge of the path. Mind your knuckles and your elbows. Do you want to jump again?
Not yet.
It's narrow, that path, isn't it? Meow.
Stopping
okay?
it's hard.
Yeah. Okay, now I am. Very. Meow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Does that keep happening?
Yeah, because of the hill.
It's good about them tipping things, isn't it?
When I sit forwards, like one of them races.
And we've got Adam Sawyers coming up the hill. He's going for it. He's leaning forward. He can taste the finish line. Go, 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 go.
Just watch your.
How do you feel?
Knackered. Just watch your toes because I'm going to have to unbrake it and then go.
Your hair's massive.
Because I'm going so fast.
Yeah.
Like one of them proper athletes.
Yeah.
The Paralympic ones.
It's a good job you're doing all them bicep curls, isn't it? Finally paying off. Or is it more triceps? You're pushing down?
I can feel my biceps.
Yeah.
My triceps are fine.
Okay.
And my forearms.
Should have done more curls then.
That's always the way. My pecs as well, actually.
Yeah.
It's like a dip.
I was going to say, yeah, that's what made me think of triceps, because it's like... I bet there'll be loads of technique online for how to do this better. You're making it look really hard work.
It's lovely. It's not even a struggle. I mean, this bit's flat, look.
Oh yeah, that's true. Look at the hill he's just come up. Look at that incline.
That felt ridiculous.
50%.
And the rest.
You off back down? Ah, okay.
That's actually quite easy. Probably not the safest. But it's definitely easy. Easier.
Do a spinny flip. Whee!
It's like I got legs. I suppose I still do have legs.
Yeah.
Go this way. Go that way. It's exhausting. How do people do this full time?
No choice.
So, shall I do like intervals on it, do you think?
What, today or going forward
Not
for your
today.
training?
I'm going to be sore for about 4 days after this, I think. It's the hill, it's the ramp up to the house is going to be hardest, I think.
Yeah, that's going to be interesting. That's how it gets home.
Try it backwards as if I've done it forwards. It's like reverse parking
With no mirrors or cameras.
or car.
Oh, wheel spin.
That might be problematic.
That's a bit rubbish.
Am I still on?
Yeah, you could.
Like,
That's impressive. Steve would be very proud.
have you just stopped it?
Yeah, it's still filming.
Oh, it sounded like it did a noise.
Oh, it's my phone.
Right. So, I need to get some momentum and then tuck my elbows in. Ready?
Go. Yay. Well done.
Do you want me to wipe my wheels? Actually, do you want you to get something to wipe the wheels on? I don't care.
Nah, oh, the carpet will clean. That's fine. Do you want any more footage?
Yeah, keep going if that's alright. Because I need to prove that I can actually drive. It's easier out there than it is on the carpet.
Mm.
Oh wait, no, it's mine. That's easier. Is it cheating?
Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do.
It's just gonna be getting used to navigating stuff into it. Part of me wanted to say you can stop filming, but then I feel like the part where I'm struggling is probably useful. Because I got out, so I must be able to get back in.
Yeah, of course. Maybe don't put that bit on social media in case anyone from Club Police follows you.
There's no marks on it or anything. Knackered. I feel like I've been proper trained.
Let me know if you want me to take over.
At this point, and then claim all the victory. This is the first time I've PB'd in 47 years. Might need to make a little bit more space between these at some point.
Okay.
And then, if you're still happy filming, I'll just say when, if that's alright.
Do you want me to stop it now then?
No. I mean, I'll say when to stop.
Oh.
If that's alright. What?
I know she's blind, but it's just the way she was like facing it towards you, and then
Yeah, who cares?
You got your brakes on.
Yeah. I need to get better at getting over the wheel so it doesn't get in me.
Yeah, that seems like a design flaw. You can do it. Well done. Success.
Yeah, I can spin around, that's fine. When?
3, 2, 1, go! Meow. Woo! You actually make that look pretty easy. I know. Go on, you can do it. Come on, lean forward. Yay. Well done.